Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Skyra, which is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad, a project developed by Rajapushpa Properties. Now we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I am here at the marketing office of Rajapushpa Skyra. And now here is the marketing office on my right hand side. We'll be getting all the details and information of the project. And now about the land parcel. So basically the land parcel is just within 500 meters from this road. So once you visit the site, our sales team will guide you towards the land parcel as well. Now about the project overview, and this project is being spread over of 6.55 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers, with each tower of 4 basement ground plus 65 floors, having 3 BHK plus maids room and 4 BHK plus maids room premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad. And let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically your actual land parcel is just in 500 meters from here. And now let me show you the neighborhood. So this road is the Neopolis main road, and this road on the right hand side will connect you towards ORR exit number 1. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So your ORR exit number 1 is just 200 meters from the project. High-tech city in 20 minutes. Financial district is 10 minutes away. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is 30 minutes away from the project. Now about the amenities part, and the project will provide you 100 plus world-class amenities like of grand clubhouse, which is of 70,000 square feet, kids play area, landscape garden, gymnasium, cafeteria and many more amenities. Now about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK plus maids room and 4 BHK plus maids room premium residencies. 3 BHK plus maids room is starting from 3140 square feet to 3375 square feet. 4 BHK plus maids room is starting from 3832 to 5350 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the actual land parcel, that is the actual site of the project. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Rajapushpa Skyra, which is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad, a project developed by Rajapushpa Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.